and we're going to be making some cute, simple ornaments. Tonight I'm going to be using, this is kind of a chunky little, some wings. This comes in a pack of 3 at Hobby Lobby. And so I'm just going to jazz this up a little bit, bling it up. Anyway, I'll be using some of these shimmer crystals tonight, rhinestones. I'm just going to place some of these rhinestones right here. This is how this looks. So I'm just going to be placing some rhinestones just right in this wing part here. We'll get this one started. I do have one that I have already started. I'll bring that one out, and I just wanted to show you a blank one just so you'll see what it looks like. And I'll just be adding these right here in these little, looks like just little wells. And y'all, I'm just using this B7000. I like it because it's got this real thin tip right there, and it's easy to use. Of course, you can use your heat tool with this too if you wanted to. This is a big chunk of wood, so and yeah, and just like that, you've got some sparkle in there. And this kind of takes no time at all to do. See all that sparkle now? I'm going to go on with this one since I already started it. I'll bring it. So we're going to go up with it up here. And y'all, this. Okay, so we got all that bling right there, and y'all, I think I'm gonna put this this cross. It is the antique bronze cross. I have to look how pretty that turned out. Isn't that gorgeous? It's so pretty. And then I do have another one, but look on this one of these snowflakes. That will look pretty on here too, just so you can see it. And this is the rose gold, so how pretty is that? So that's an idea that you can do with these. You can see that. Okay, so this is, it's a disc, so it's not round, it's a disc. And you get 6 of these at Hobby Lobby. Okay, so this is gonna be really fun. You just take your little disc like this, your little ornament, and I'm just going to use this Mod Podge, and I'm going to use fine glitter like this, and I'll show you why. And then this is like iridescent. It's like an iridescent crystal. It's called Crystal Diamond, but you can get these at Walmart. And I'm just brushing that Mod Podge on there. I'm just brushing that Mod Podge on there, and then I'm going to take my little crystal, it's called Crystal Diamond, it looks like, but it's like iridescent. And I'm just going to sprinkle this on here. Okay, so you can see all that sparkle in there, and once it dries, you'll be able to see it better. So we're just gonna give it a dry. And then I thought about using some of our snowflakes. So I'm going to hot glue that on there, and then I've got some ribbon. I'm going to use a little bit of ribbon on this. I think I'm going to also use maybe some greenery on just a tad. Just a little bit. And I use my picks. I have picks of all kinds, and I just pick these things apart because I need just a little bit since these discs are so small. And then you can use a little ribbon on the top here. You can use, of course you're not going to use it that long, but just to show you. And there you go. Isn't that cute? And so you got that little sparkle in there. Ah, this one's round. So we're going to do a gold one here. So we got our Mod Podge on there, and then we're going to use this, and this one's called Champagne Gold. And we're just going to sprinkle that on there. And you know, you can do this with the kids, the grandkids, so it's easy to do. So here's your gold one. So this ribbon I just get from Hobby Lobby. It's in the his and hers section, the wedding section. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna put a bow on this one. Little bow. And this one is antique bronze. Antique bronze. And then here is one more. Isn't that cute? That is just so cute. So yeah, you can play around with the different colors to go with your color scheme. And then I just want to show you one more thing. I'll just bring all these out here so you can see them. Yeah, these are cute. Oh, I have one more over here. Look how pretty that one is. That one's really pretty. And there you go. And there you go. I think you can see them all. Oh, how pretty are those? Just want to show you what you can do. These are at Hobby Lobby. Just these little tags like this. I did show these last night on a live. And it comes, these are just gift tags, and it comes like this in a bag of 12 for like $3.50 at Hobby Lobby. And so you can take these, but what I did here is I went a little bit further, and these are from Hobby Lobby as well. And all I did was I took just some scrap pieces of decoupage paper. I just had scraps, and I just put Mod Podged it on this. I glued this on this, glued all of that on this. So that's how that is. And so this, I'm probably just going to put in my kitchen or something. But how cute is that? So these are real versatile. You can get the pack, the Christmas pack, and do something like that. Or make it an ornament. That's
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.